Hey everybody, Sean Gavin with Tucker. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about what's included with any of the poles that we sell when you order a complete pole kit. First of all, you'll get what we call a bare pole. This is the Tucker Junior. The kits are the same regardless of the size pole you buy, so this is just for reference. You will also get our standard size glide brush, includes 4 pencil jets. You will get a gooseneck adapter, male and female quick connect, as well as 100 feet of pole tubing. I'm going to go ahead and assemble the pole so you can see how to properly assemble the pole out of the packaging. First thing you'll want to do is adjust the angle of the gooseneck. It's been put into an awkward position for packaging. So loosen the star nut here on the side. You'll want to make it so the octagon shaped profile is in line with the top of the back half, which includes the shaft, which goes into the number 1 clamp on the pole. And then most people would like the Acme tip basically pointed slightly back, but in a vertical position. So go ahead and tighten everything back down to lock it back into position. The next thing you'll need to do is essentially cut the zip ties off from the 100-foot length of red tubing. Simple pair of scissors will accomplish this. Set that to the side for a moment. The brush itself connects to the gooseneck. So the locked octagon shaped profile matches on both the gooseneck included as well as the socket. You'll slide it on and lock it into position. So now your gooseneck and your brush are attached. Next, you'll want to install the red tubing. Take the pole, set the clamp end on the ground, set your excess tubing on the ground, and with one hand take one end of the red tubing and insert it into the bottom of the pole. You'll notice that it can get hung up at the bottom of the pole at internal sections that are stacked at the bottom. So you might have to twist the tubing a little bit just to get past that, but then it will move freely. Again, at the other end, you might run into something on the inside, but if you twist, it will get past that and move freely. So now the red tubing is out the top of the number 1 clamp. What we'll do next is assemble the gooseneck and brush into the top of the clamp properly. So you have the shaft end of your gooseneck. You'll run the red tubing up through the inside of the gooseneck. It will then exit the top of the gooseneck. You'll want to then insert the red tubing into the T-fitting on the back of the brush. So now the red tubing is connected to the brush. You'll then insert the shaft of the gooseneck down into the tip of the pole, into the number 1 clamp, and tighten. So we're fully assembled at this point on the pole. The quick connect goes on the opposite end of the red tubing. So find the other end of your tubing. Here it is. And simply push fit the quick connects onto the opposite end. You've got a male quick connect built in and a female. The female has the on-off adjustment, so you can turn the water flow on and off, and it simply locks in, quick connects, and removes if you need to. This is a female garden hose thread. So any male garden hose fitting will thread right into this. You don't have to have a Tucker hose or anything proprietary, just a male garden hose fitting. Again, this is a complete kit for a pole. It does not include any other accessories, may it be a hose reel or a water system or anything else. This is just a complete pole kit. It does come with one other item, and that is an Acme tip. So the Acme tip is used for a number of different accessories, and I'll show you how to install this and then utilize it. Essentially, you can put a wood cone tip on here and utilize a squeegee for regular window cleaning. You could put an adapter on here for helping hang Christmas lights. anything that you could thread onto the tip of a standard mop or threaded adapter in the United States that will thread onto this aluminum tip. So when you want to do that and you want to utilize your bare pole for a different application, you're essentially going to disassemble your pole. So it's the opposite of the assembly process. You will disconnect your red tubing from the T-fitting at the brush, let it fall out the bottom of the pole, and then open up the number 1 clamp, remove all your water-fed accessories, and slide the Acme tip into the top of the number 1 clamp and lock the lever in position. So now you have basically just an extension pole with an Acme tip, which is the thread you need for just about any accessory in the United States. So this is the complete pole kit from Tucker. You can find more information on these at our website, tuckerusa.com. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to us from there.